Greetings, dear traveler. Are you in pursuit of warm, sandy beaches, island hopping and sweltering jungle treks? Or simply on a budget and in search of a destination rich in affordable adventures? No matter what kind of experience you're seeking, Thailand has it all. Not convinced? Then sit back, relax, and let us reveal why you should travel to Thailand in Visiting Thailand, a beginner's travel guide. It's no secret that Thailand is achingly beautiful, but you likely knew that already. So instead, let us begin by explaining what makes a perfect Thailand-bound traveler. While you're only required to be as fit as the activities you wish to take part in, you should thrive in hot to extremely humid weather. Be a confident swimmer so as not to miss out on Thailand's turquoise waters, and be ready to dive, trek, tuk-tuk, taste, kayak, sail, and even kickbox your way across the country. Be sure to have saved up at least 10 to 15 vacation days to experience the country at an enjoyable pace without rushing. Don't forget to learn a few key phrases in Thai to make your travels easier. But don't worry too much, as English is widely spoken. And while you can visit Thailand all year round, the best time to travel there is between November and early April, when rainfall is limited and temperatures are manageable. So, your tour is booked, your bags are packed, and you've secured a great deal on that flight into Bangkok. It's time to hit the bustling streets and backroads of this great Southeast Asian gem. Begin by visiting Bangkok's Grand Palace, arguably the city's most famous landmark and the spiritual heart of the Thai kingdom. You'll surely be left in awe by the palace complex's impressive and intricate buildings. And don't forget to visit the spectacular Wat Arun, which sits dazzlingly on the west bank of the Chao Phraya River. Or perhaps visit Wat Po and see the impressive reclining Buddha before carrying on to the temple Wat Ratchanadaram, whose design is said to derive from the metal temples built in Sri Lanka and India over 2,000 years ago. Reward yourself for days well spent by visiting one of the city's many rooftop bars and unwind with local brews while overlooking the feverish scene that is Bangkok. And once you've sufficiently lost yourself in the chaos of the busy streets and back alleyway clubs, you'll be free to move on to Thailand's dazzling countryside to experience blissful rejuvenation. Begin in the north and pay a visit to the mountainous city of Chiang Mai, where you can first stroll past the hundreds of elaborate Buddhist temples, exploring the original capital of the Lorna Kingdom before venturing into the Thai jungle for a journey like no other. Hike past unexpected waterfalls while enjoying the sounds of bubbling brooks as nature envelops you. You'll want to head to Chiang Mai, where you can explore the eclectic, starkly colored Wat Rong Khun, an unconventional art exhibition to which admission is free. But the real views arrive when you trek into the Thai highlands just outside of the city. Reach the top of Fuji Pha, a national forest park and one of the country's most famous viewpoints. Time your visit for dawn and allow yourself a quiet moment to overlook the sea of mist that hangs atop the never-ending hilltops. You won't be disappointed. Next, head down south and take part in a little island hopping and swim or sail your way between famous and stunningly beautiful inlets. Ride long-tail boats to Railay Beach in Thailand's Krabi province, famous for its sheer limestone cliffs and dense mangrove forests, as well as its hundreds of offshore islands, including the notable Phi Phi Islands. Next, visit Koh Samui and sip on fresh coconuts before hiking along lush trails and cooling off in secluded waterfalls and natural pools. Finish off your adventure through southern Thailand with a visit to the west coast of the Malay Peninsula and explore the Phang Nga Province, famous for its national parks and rock formations. We could go on and on about the endless array of destinations, activities and experiences ready to be had in this tropical paradise. But those are stories for another video. Well, has your hunger for something different been fulfilled yet? No? Then a dose of additional inspiration is in order. Watch another video and visit us on days to come to start planning your next adventure abroad. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below if you have your own hidden gem to share with the world, and until next time, happy travels.